tell I'm warm now.
Oakley is the author of the influential pair of tracts, The Sociology of Housework and Housewife. Published in 1974, the books were based on research conducted in the 1960s and were the first to study housework as a sociological subject and to evaluate it as work.
God.
She focused on British working class women as well as those from the middle classes. The working class women said that they liked the autonomy of running their fiefdom, but they, like the interviewees from the middle class, hated household tasks. One housewife, a mother of 3 aged 27, who worked outside and inside the home non-stop, said she found housework monotonous because it's the same thing every day. She described retreating into daydreams during her hours of cooking, cleaning, and ironing. I'm sort of there, and I'm not there. I can't say there's something specific on my mind because there isn't. A dense body of work in the transatlantic women's liberation movement of the 1970s took as read that the traditional family was bad for women and children too. Patriarchal, racist, and anti-erotic. Out of this cacophony came radical feminist Shulamit Firestone's show-stopping takedown of the whole caboodle in The Dialectic of Sex.
That's a big word.
Firestone wanted the overthrowing of all the natural categories of life, not just the desire to make money or get married, but love and culture and the natural itself.
Hello, I'm a racist. Hello, I'm a racist. Hello, I'm a racist. It all had to go for women and children to live freely at last. Capitalism and work, the agents of patriarchy, must be overthrown, with as much automation as possible put in place, including for bearing children. Firestone thought that people should live in sprawling, non-genetic families. God.
As ever, the women's liberation movements victory of women in education, sport, and the professions was going in the right direction at ever greater speed. Divorce rates were cresting, freeing more and more wives from marital misery. And then, feminism and its relationship to
I was busy. Crossing, mate. Racist. I'm a dickhead, bigot, with low intelligence. I'm not talking about myself. You know what I'm talking about, do you? Never mind.
You got right away, and we got another learner coming the other way. Just the day for me to have lost my space to a van. Yeah. You're not fucking parking in there. You know she will be. Oh, it's you with your fucking dog. Scum. Do you want to come and get your crap? You lost some property. I left it for you to retrieve. But that's on the curb. Thank God for that.